Guys, how you doing? I'm Tobin, welcome to the Figaro Shop. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to talk to you about these wheel arches. If you know Figaros, you will know that they have a massive tendency to rust. If you look at any buyer's guide, it will tell you it is the first thing to check. So this is an original arch. This is the original arch here, and this piece here is called the inner arch. Damp gets between the outer arch and the inner arch in this little gap here, you can see, and then it all starts to rust. Now there's a number of ways that you can repair it. So the way that this car was repaired by somebody else was by putting an arch over the top. So they've handmade this piece of arch and it's not quite the right shape, and then what they've done is stuck it over the top of the rusty parts, put a small amount of tacks all the way around it, and then filled and painted over the top of it. Like I said, the advantage is that was probably quite quick to do, but the disadvantage is it won't last any time at all because loads of damp can get in there. Also, all the old rusty metal is still behind there, so the damp and the rusty metal has done all of this. So now this is a much bigger repair because, for example, here it's got to have all the holes in the body for the trim, the seals actually coming away, it's all the actual structure of the car has started to be damaged because it's just continuing to rust. And now that we're going to do this properly, it is a much bigger repair. The one on the other side we're part way through doing, and you can see this one on the other side was done in a really similar way. These are the pieces that came off on this side. So these were on here, they'd all been stacked one on top of the other when it's been repaired and repaired. And so what Luke's just doing here, if you come and have a look, is he's completely repaired the inner arch. He's cutting this new wheel arch panel all the way in, all the way round. This arch has got the correct shape, so it sits flush against the body. All the curves are in the right places. No damp will get in there. But most importantly, it's going in all the way around like this, which is called butt welding. So this is nice and smooth. It won't take a lot of filler. It won't take lots of paint. And he's also taking his time and welding this in a seam around here. So the one on the other side was just done with spots, and that again lets damp in. This is seam. So Luke will build this up all the way around till he gets all the way back down to here. It'll all be nice and smooth like this, there's no distortion, and then it can be filled and painted. So that's the two options on the ways to do it. You can do it quickly, but it generally doesn't last and costs a bit less money, or you can do it the proper way and it will last. If you need any advice on how to do your wheel arches, give us a call or drop us an email. If you want to buy the panels, we can sell you the panels and tell you how to fit them, and we can also, like this car, do the whole job for you if you need to as well. Cheers guys.